we have heard a rumor that there's been a mass murder.
Yeah, of camera stores. Yeah, we hear it all the time. Camera stores in America are
dead.
But today, are we going to find out?
Yeah, today we're on a circle tour of camera stores, and we're going to find out the truth. Are camera stores dead?
Yeah, are they still relevant in, I was going to say, in society, in our photo community? Are they still relevant, or has Amazon and B&H and all the big retailers, online retailers, are they the ones with blood on their hands?
So this is just like an episode of Clue.
That's right. So stay tuned and see what we find out. So how much stuff have you bought from a camera store in your life?
In my life? Like a camera store, not like a Best Buy,
photography store, a camera store. Have you bought much?
I have bought a camera filter. I bought a camera lens cap and 2 sync cords.
Yeah,
that's what I bought from a camera store.
And I think in the last 10 years, kind of the same thing. I've bought a couple filters that I needed like the day of something, or because I was in the store talking to a friend and there was something on sale, like in some bin, and I went, ooh, polarizer. I don't know when I'm ever going to use that because I have 5 other ones, but how can I pass this up? But it used to be, I bought a lot of stuff from camera stores more than 10 years ago, especially like backpacks. I always would say I would never buy a backpack online.
You went purse shopping.
It's right. Because, you know what? That's one of the hardest things to buy is a backpack.
Yeah.
How many do you have? I've got at least 12.
I think I have. Yeah. You've got more than 12?
I know, I probably do. Well, I'm not counting the little ones. But, you know, you buy them because you're thinking, this is the right thing.
It's going to change your life.
And within a month, you're going, I wish this had a handle. I wish this was bigger. I wish this one was smaller. And I wish it didn't have this strap.
Into the closet it goes.
That's right. And gets replaced by the latest, greatest. And the backpacks we're using now, I really like.
Yeah.
But there's days where I go, I wish there was more room.
So now you're gone into kind of a backpack conversation.
I have.
You've digressed into your backpacks. We're talking about camera stores, and you asked me a specific question.
Yes. We're moving. So we're in Berkeley,
California.
That's
Cal
right.
Bears. Go Bears. Go
Bears. And we're getting ready to go visit our first camera store of the day. So this is called Spyglass?
Looking Glass?
Looking Glass.
Looking Glass. That's right.
Yeah, and they've been in business for years and years. And they're kind of an icon in the Bay Area. And can't wait to see. I've heard great stuff about their store. And I'm interested to see what they specialize in.
Camera stuff, probably.
Yeah, probably photography stuff. So we'll find out.
So hey, we're here at the Looking Glass store in Berkeley, and we're here with Jen, and just a fantastic person. We've been chatting with her for quite a while. Been burning up her ears just asking camera and talking shop. But they have got an incredible camera store here. If you're anywhere in the San Francisco Bay Area, come to the Looking Glass over here in Berkeley.
Yes.
Just, it's a fun place just to hang out. A lot of knowledgeable people and just a great selection of equipment. So, how are things going? I mean, the camera industry, it's changing constantly, right?
Constantly. The best kind of the joy, right? Yeah. I mean, you got to be ready for change in this industry.
Definitely. So we were talking about all the different kinds of cameras she gets to play with, and a little jealous with all this stuff. You're saying some of your favorite stuff like your Leica and the lenses. But
yeah.
You guys carry here. You've got a great selection.
Yes.
So what do you carry?
We carry Fuji, Olympus, Nikon, Sony, Canon, Tamron, Sigma, Lens Baby, Zeiss.
They've got it all.
They've got it all.
So if you're looking for something great, come and check out.
Get your hands on it and actually feel it.
That's right.
Yeah.
Come and see Jen at the Looking Glass.
We would love to see.
Wow, Looking Glass camera. What a great store. Steve, are camera stores dead?
No. Well, I don't know yet, but I can tell you the Looking Glass is not dead.
Definitely not dead. If you are in the Bay Area, you're anywhere near Berkeley, even if you don't live here, just passing through, you need to stop.
It's a fun store.
It's a toy store for photographers. You've got to go in there and start playing with stuff.
It just looks cool. You know, it's not a modern looking store, but
it makes you feel comfortable when you go in. Just the layout, it's a cool place.
Yeah, very pleasant. The staff in there, amazing. Everybody was in there asking if they could help us, and
they have a dark room.
Yes, we got to go back into the dark room.
Secret dark room.
So, yeah, what a great place. So, Looking Glass in Berkeley, definitely camera stores in the Bay Area, not dead.
All right, let's take off to the next stop.
There we go.
All right. So yeah, to answer the question, are camera stores dead? I know one that should be.
That's right.
We went driving up to it, and you know what? It's the middle of the week.
And they're closed.
And they're closed.
Who closes in the middle of the week?
Weekday.
Hump day. You close on hump day.
That's just dumb.
Yeah.
Dumb.
We're not going to say the name of it, but if you're ever in...
Sorry, I was coughing.
Man. And you want to stop and find something, you probably should keep on moving when you're down towards South San Francisco, San Bruno area. Then, but let's head on down to South Bay. And,
let's do some South Bay.
In San Jose area.
Right,
let's see what's going on there.
Sorry, we developed a cough, man. And we weren't able to show you this camera store that will go unnamed.
That's right.
Man. I'm feeling a little hangry.
Oh yeah, I don't know about you. I'm starving.
So let's pick something up that we can get like in and out real quick.
Yeah. Let's definitely something we can get in and out.
Yes, in and out real fast.
All right, so we're back in the car. Stop number 3.
Stop number 3. Well, kind of 2.5, right?
Exactly. One was closed on whatever today is, Wednesday. But we just came back from San Jose Camera.
Yep.
Sitting in the car outside here.
It's considered to be the biggest camera store in Silicon Valley.
Yeah. And what a great facility. What a great building. Lots of product inside. A lot of variety. That's the thing I'm really loving as what I'm seeing is the fact that there's just so much great product in there.
Yep.
So... really knowledgeable staff, and
yeah, we were just talking to Chris, the owner, just nice guy, just kind of going through, you know, what they sell and what they have, and I would say no, this camera store is not dead.
No, definitely not.
While we're sitting here in the car, 3 people have just walked in that front door.
Exactly.
So you know, there's a lot of retail in the world, right, in the country that would love to have that many people in the last 3 minutes walk in through their door, and they're actually having people walk through the door. Yeah. So. Not dead.
Okay, let's move on. Let's see what else we can find.
Next stop.
Don't forget, San Jose Camera. Great store.
Silicon Valley. This is where you want to go. Oh, more traffic.
My goodness. So we have about, what, 2 hours?
Well, we've been driving for an hour, and now we've got an hour and 11 minutes before we get there. I don't know if we're going to get there on time before they close. Trying to find a camera store
is not easy.
No, we've said these camera stores aren't dead, but there's a lot of dead camera stores because they're not around anymore. I mean, we've got to go 2 hours before we get to the next one.
Yeah, and we're going through a big town right now, and there is no camera store in this town.
And a heck of a lot of traffic.
And an hour and 11 minutes to the next one.
To the next camera store. So if you're looking for a camera, you got a long way to drive.
That's right. But we're excited because I think this next store, it's going to be a real winner. I'm excited about what I'm going to see. Now that I know that there are many camera stores that are not dead, that have a great presence, I'm excited to see what we're going to find.
Let's go try to get there.
So
we made it just in time.
Yeah, and be honest, we looked on the outside of the building, old building, we thought this has got to be one of those dead stores. But it wasn't.
What did I say? I don't know.
I don't know. Maybe we shouldn't even stop in. We'll just hit another day. But no, what a great stop.
It was really fun.
Yeah, these guys are pro photo dealers. So if you're a pro and you're in the Sacramento area, oh my goodness, Photo Source is the place for you to go for lighting. They rent equipment. You can buy equipment here. So
and they specialize in used gear. They're all about the used camera, and you know, you can get all kinds of really cool looking stuff in there. They do lots of printing and they sell papers. It's a really good place. Michael's the owner there. They are definitely not dead.
Yeah.
He's owned this place since year 2000, so they've had a good 18
Yeah, they got a back room where they do classes and teach stuff. And, you know, again, the photo community, retail, is not gone. And that's exciting. So,
Photo Source.
There we go.
Thumbs up.
Way to go, guys.
right, so we're on to day number 2. Now, we didn't actually plan day number 2 for our little camera roundabout, but we realized that we actually skipped a shop, one of our most important shops, because it happens to be very close to where I live. But so that's where we're headed right now. Is we're headed out to there we go. Headed out to one of our next camera shops, and we are on our way.
Let's find out if this camera store is still alive. Donuts.
It's always about
the donuts.
10
Look
points.
what's straight ahead. Chopsticks.
Chopsticks. Woohoo! You know why this is one of our favorite camera stores, because it's right next to Chopsticks. Oh, and where are we?
Let's get a massage.
Perfect day massage.
Action camera.
Not dead.
Not dead at all. That was a fun stop. I love geeking out and talking cameras.
Well,
with people.
these guys, you know, it's a well-staffed store. First of all,
Yeah.
it's done up right. Good.
Well, as they're knowledgeable.
They're super knowledgeable. They have a good selection of products.
Yeah.
Lots of different lighting equipment. They carry Sony, Canon, Fuji, Olympus,
Sigma, Tamron.
I mean,
Interfit.
all the good stuff. So, yeah, they are not dead. In fact, when we were in there, and this is in the middle of the week, there were customers buying stuff in the store.
Yep.
So that's, to me, that's always an exciting thing. When you see a smaller shop of any type, retail going on, where there's people in there mid-morning in the middle of the week, that's good. So, action camera, not dead.
Not dead at all. Go see.